Café Amazon, serving coffee that offers a new experience. The main ingredients are the green of nature, infused with the aroma of pure air, temperature controlled by the warmth of friendship. Added finishing touch to every single cup with hearts of the best passionate and professional baristas. Every morning, our doors open to welcome everyone, including all coffee lovers, with a variety of menus ready to suit every lifestyle. We create new drinks to match market trends and stimulate sales all year round. All the while, analyze the specific demands of foreign and local markets.
One yin yang fish.
แค่แรกที
กาแฟ Amazon ตะกอ
Black Coffee ที่หนึ่งครับ
抹茶ラテください
Will you bay strawberry yogurt splash?
While sipping your favorite drink, you will be embraced with our natural design cafe space under the soothing, refreshing green oasis concept. Once nature gives us the pleasant atmosphere, it inspires us to give happiness back to the nature. At Café Amazon, we do this through the use of environment-friendly products. Every cup of coffee we produce aims to give happiness to all from those in high mountains. To our quietest branches. Our success is showcased by multiple marketing awards. But our ultimate awards are those smiles we have created and happiness we have received each day. Café Amazon, Taste of Nature.